Today we'll talk about how can you figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your Truecaller app. So you just follow these ways and it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, you just go here, you go above your photo profile, click on it here. So then it's going to show for you a list like this. Then all you have to do, just go above this sign, click on it. So then it's going to take you to this list. You click here on general here. Then you come to next step here. So then you come here to chat message here. And here you just click on allow. So then here it's going to take you to select here message sounds on in this list on your Truecaller app. So here can you select chat message sounds. So thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by liking and subscribe.